फिल्म के लिए 1 साल वेट किया है मैंने. Yeah, 1 year of doing nothing. That's the biggest gamble that any actor can take. मैं खुद सोचता हूँ कि यार किसको देखने जा रहे लोग?
So sweet.
मुझे क्यों, मतलब क्या देखने जा रहे लोग? I started crying first of all. Honestly, will tell you, because 14 years of my dreaming came to that one day.
Abhay, welcome to Film Companion.
Thank you.
You know, this is probably the fastest I have ever lined up an interview. I saw Munja last night and I felt like I had to talk to you today.
Wow, that's awesome, and that's the fastest. I mean, I am happiest कि हाँ phone आया और and I wanted to do this. So.
No, but I have to tell you, you have an extremely charming presence on screen.
Thank you.
So I just want to find out whether that translates into real life as well through this interview.
Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
First things first, how are you? Have you slept? Have you eaten? What have the last couple of days been like for you?
Last 4 days ने I have been really like, मतलब मैं 4 घंटे सोया हूँ every day.
Gosh.
और still honestly it feels like कि that I'm ready for the day. मतलब मुझे feel ही नहीं होता है कि हाँ honestly last 4 दिन तो that's where मतलब वो actor काम ही इसलिए करता है ना, to live these days.
That is true.
तो मतलब मैं वो कुछ घंटे सो के उसको waste नहीं करना चाह रहा.
Which is actually what I was thinking. You have really waited for this day, for this sort of validation.
I know.
What are you enjoying most right now?
I'm actually enjoying this feeling of not of dreaming, of enjoying the fact that I went to a theater, and that's the place where I have gotten inspired from all my life. और अब मैं अभी 2 दिन पहले we had a surprise theater visit. तो मैं enter हुआ तो लोग bit. So that's मतलब that was the major takeaway, and that's what I enjoyed the most. मतलब I'm
Have
getting chills,
goosebumps. Yeah.
because
yeah.
that's the where I have gotten inspired from. और वहाँ आप जाते हो and then you become the inspiration.
That's
So just flipping sides on a 360 degree it's मतलब I don't know a word to refer it to.
But you know, another big reason why I wanted to talk to you is that these weekend collections have been really staggering, and not just weekend, now weekday as well.
Yeah.
A 20 crore opening is a really big deal, even for some big A-list films.
I know.
It's
I
pretty
know.
amazing.
Yeah.
Were you also surprised?
I'm still surprised. मतलब I'm still surprised to the fact that मैं खुद सोचता हूँ कि यार किसको देखने जा रहे लोग?
So sweet.
मुझे क्यों, मतलब क्या देखने जा रहे लोग?
Yeah.
मतलब to the fact that कि it's actually unbelievable स्नेहा. मतलब 20 crore is a number which has only existed for me ऐसा vaguely. मतलब वो लिखने में भी मैं थक जाऊँगा अगर मैं serious लिखूँगा तो मेरा पेन उतना नहीं चलेगा. But लोगों का चल रहा है and people are giving all the love.
हाँ.
But honestly से पता क्या, हमने मतलब we just intended to just work on this film for this one reason, just to entertain people.
Yeah.
Solely for that.
Yeah. And it's a fun watch. I have to tell you that. It's genuinely a fun watch. There was as much scare, as much laughter, as everything. It was a really enjoyable, and I don't do horror, so it's a big compliment coming from me.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. You just said you
Yeah.
don't do horror.
Yeah.
And you going there, and with all the kids going there and enjoying the film, it was really overwhelming.
Yes.
भैया एक selfie मिलेगी? मैंने कहा नहीं, मेरा दिल ले लो यार तुम लोग. Selfie क्या ले रहे हो?
I asked you where you want to do this interview, and you felt very emotionally connected with Aram Nagar, which is honestly right behind us. So I found a spot right in front, which is a beautiful patch of beach. I thought थोड़ा सुकून मिल जाए in the middle of all this chaos.
Thank you for that.
We can sit and talk. कुछ
Absolutely.
खाना है तो वो भी ले सकते हैं.
आइए ना.
मैं तो I think I'm gonna have some bhutta.
Same here,
Same here.
as madam suggests.
दीदी bhutta 50 rupees. हाँ, आप बना के दोगे?
तो एक
कैसे
बना.
बनाओगे? ठीक है, हम
अच्छा
वहाँ
वो
पे
ऐसे
बैठे हैं.
उसमें
आके दे देना. हाँ, बॉयल वाला.
बॉयल वाला बना दो.
जैसे आप बनाते हो. दो.
बॉयल
है?
वाला चलेगा ना?
हाँ, बॉयल वाला.
तो बॉयल वाला बना दो दीदी.
ठीक है. हाँ? एक बटर और एक मिक्स. ठीक
तो
है.
ऐसा कर लो.
थैंक यू.
आप मिक्स वाला खाने वाले हो?
आपको बटर चाहिए?
मैं हाँ. एक्चुअली
बोलो.
एक में कांदा मत डालिएगा.
हाँ.
काम कर दो, मैं दोनों प्लेन में आपको बटर चीज एक नंबर बना के लाती
वाह, एक नंबर बोल दिया तो हो गया. Thank you.
Best. We will sit. Talk to me about the last couple of days. Have there been any calls or compliments that you're holding very close to heart?
Oh, a couple actually. So, so Karan Johar is a person who has really changed the course of Hindi film industry, and I've always believed so.
Yeah.
So when a personality like that messages you that you are absolutely phenomenal in the film, and I am one of those people who are loving your performances, and yeah, can't wait for like the bigger things happening for you. This that.
Did the
So,
Dharma soundtrack
with
play in
the-
your head?
वो हाँ करेक्ट वो डेफिनेटली वो प्ले हुआ था. वो एक हर एक्टर की एक विश होती है कि हाँ वो एक बार उसकी जिंदगी में वो जरूर प्ले हो. तो मेरे साथ वो यूफोरिया वाला जो मोमेंट था, that happened just day before yesterday when he said that. So that's the मतलब for a newcomer ना, मतलब a person like him messaging ना, it is more than a validation.
Yeah.
It definitely is something which an actor craves for, and which rarely happens when he messages you, starts following you and this and that. Matlab it is just I was over the moon when he said that I believe in you, because that's matlab wo ek director and coming from like a Dharma production where every actor wants to go in and perform. So when a person like him messages, so it just it just touches you somewhere on the very soft corner of your heart. And another person, another artist which I really look forward and I look up to is Ayushmann Khurrana. The choice of films which he does now is really inspiring for me.
Yeah.
He said, just keep the fire in you burning, and yeah, I happily said that let's create magic together.
Wow.
So I hope that also happens.
No, but speaking of choice of films,
Yeah.
Munja is not a conventional film for a hero in that sense. Neither was Safed, where you played a transgender. Are you thinking while choosing? What are you thinking? Does one get to think? How does it work?
So that's the last thing which you said now. That has been half of my life. That does one gets to think also. Like if he or she has a choice also, coming from a background like me, from a small town Panipat.
Yeah.
Matlab, I don't think here in industry now, you must agree to this, the choice is a luxury which not everyone can afford. And तो मैंने actually एक बात सोची थी, which I tap on my shoulders on, that whatever opportunity I'll get now, I will make that thing one of a kind, be it transgender. ठीक है, that's the biggest example I'll tell you, because it's very different. क्योंकि बहुत actors ने उस role के लिए मना किया था, and then it came to me, and then yeah, I chose to do it because of the fact that my head said no first.
Okay.
The agenda and the aim is only to do character which I mean comes, but do it in a way that it is remarkable. I think the magic is in the how, not the why. How you do it is just the way which I feel कि हाँ, अगर कोई dialogue भी बोला है तो how is where the magic lies.
Nice.
That's what I think.
But you did start off as a junior artist, someone in a bead. I want you
Yeah.
to just take me back to then. How distant did this dream feel then to headline a film? Or did you always feel कि हो जाएगा ये? When you were that guy in the crowd many years ago.
I was shooting for Super 30 as a junior artist, as you said. और वो रोज शूटिंग के 14 या 15 घंटे बाद सबसे लास्ट में पैकअप होता है जूनियर आर्टिस्ट का.
हाँ.
जब सब चले जाते हैं, एक्टर्स चले जाते हैं और वो सब, एंड देन दे हैव टू टेक द क्राउड शॉट्स और वो सब ना. तो उसके बाद भी 2 घंटे आपको लाइन में लगना पड़ता था व्हेन द गाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूट्स यू टुडेज वेज. तो उस लाइन में ना वो खड़े होके ना, दैट हैज बीन द मोस्ट इंस्पायरिंग टू अस ऑफ माय लाइफ एवरी डे व्हिच आई हैव लिव्ड लाइक गुड अ मंथ, लाइक 20 to 25 days. और वो 2 घंटे जब मैं वो 800 रुपये लेने के लिए ऐसे खड़ा होता था ना, तो मैं सोचता था यार कि आई डोंट नो हाउ टू बी मॉडेस्ट अबाउट इट, बट आई मीन जस्ट मैं बस ऑनेस्टली पुट कर रहा हूँ. आई डोंट मीन इट इन अ रूड वे, तो आप उस वे में मत लेना. बट आई सेड टू माई सेल्फ दैट आई एम नॉट मेंट फॉर दिस. आई एम मेंट फॉर बिगर थिंग्स, and I have to do it for the sake of influencing people in the best way I can. Because acting is just not a thing. मतलब आप कुछ रोल कर जाओ और वो खत्म हो गया. It's a life that you live, and you grow better as a person every day. That's my major thing. Why I'm standing and we're sitting here. We are having this conversation in front of most emotional place where my journey.
And the city of dreams.
City of
There's
dreams.
something about this city.
There's something about this beach, yeah. I mean,
Yeah?
yeah. This basically is art to me, the beach, the ocean, man. I mean, you don't know the depth of it. You don't know what it holds. You don't know the species.
Yeah.
You don't know what is inside it. But you just see it and you just get fascinated by it and you just want to dwell into it.
You also realize how small you are.
Yeah,
the bigger scheme of things.
absolutely, we are, and
Yeah.
we actors do have a tendency to take ourselves so seriously, you know. But it's not that. It's just you're entertaining people. That's what your aim is,
Yeah.
and it should be limit to that.
Yeah.
That's
No.
where an actor's life gets difficult जब वो ज़्यादा सोचने लगते हैं. Chill. I mean, just be there, enjoy, and just do it for the good purpose of entertaining.
But आपको लगता है बोलने के लिए आसान है, but शायद आप भी हो मतलब it can happen to you as well. Yeah, are you doing anything to make sure that so many of the things you observed while you were waiting for your turn, you make sure that आपके साथ ये ना हो जाए? Thank you, दीदी.
अरे,
Come.
sweet.
Thank you.
Thank
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers.
Do you
चलो,
feel?
our
Cheers.
first bite together.
Yes. Are there certain things you've kept in mind कि मैं ये नहीं करूँगा? When you have watched people around you be a certain way to you, to people around you.
यार एक चीज जो मैंने सोची थी ना कि मैं करूँगा,
Hmm.
वो ये है कि मैं जितना लोग मुझे प्यार देंगे ना, मैं उससे कम नहीं दे सकता लोगों को.
Hmm.
I have to be a giver. I have to be on the giver side.
Hmm.
You know, that be it from my work,
Hmm.
be it from whatever I do. वो एक चीज जो मैं नहीं करूँगा, वो मैं ये बोलूँगा that we actors, you know, that's where faith also comes in. Sneha, I feel, the faith and the belief that you have ना, and the rooting which you belong from. I think अगर आप अपनी roots के साथ जुड़े रहते हो ना, so then you kind of take a deep breath and sit with yourself for 10 minutes and then you realize that where have you come from, and you think on things कि that's इतनी ही life है, मतलब whatever is given to you after you start from your roots is by the people. It's like democracy. It's for the people, it's by the people, it's to the people, तो जो भी हमें मिलता है ना एज एन एक्टर, मैं बोलूँगा मुझे तो वो लोगों से ही मिलता है. तो वी जस्ट मीडिएटर्स इज व्हाट आई कीप इन माइंड, तो इतना ही रोल है अपना कि एक किसी से डायरेक्टर से इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके किसी को दे दी. वो जो प्यार आपको मिलता है वो सिर्फ आपका नहीं है, वो लोगों का दिया गया है, वो कभी भी वो ले सकते हैं, उस पर आपका वो अमानत है जो उनकी दी हुई है. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. तो दैट्स व्हाट कीप्स मी लाइक टुवर्ड्स द सिंपल प्रोसेस ऑफ व्हाटएवर आई परस्यू.
Yeah, but you've actually worked smaller roles in some really big projects, whether obviously Family Man, there was Little Things, there was Everton. What changes when you become the face on the poster? Pehle to, what was it like to see your face on the poster?
So first thing I started crying, first of all. Honestly will tell you. Because 14 years of my dreaming came to that one day.
Yeah.
And imagine 14 years of emotions, of thinking and driving yourself, and in a city like Bombay, which is way more practical than any other city.
Practical is a nice way
Yeah.
to put it.
So that's the best word I'd like to say. तो वो जब हो जाता है ना, then you feel like okay, this is it. मतलब it can't get bigger than that. You get a film from Madoc, and it was the leading production houses in India, who was responsible for changing the course of Hindi film industry in terms of experiments.
Yeah.
Munja itself is an experiment on its
Yes.
own. So, I mean, to be a face on the poster like that, where people are seeing you, I honestly didn't feel like this is me. This is something else. Yeah. मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मैं हूँ यार, ये मैं हो ही नहीं सकता. It still comes to my mind.
But when you didn't have to, you're now the face on the poster, so you didn't have to stand in that 2-hour line to collect the daily wage. What was that like to headline a film?
Honestly, I tell you one major takeaway that I had from this, and a lot of other actors whom I used to audition with them, they are messaging. उन्होंने मुझे ये message नहीं किया I'm happy for you, this and that. They are messaging me that we are proud of you. So that's a responsibility and takeaway which came in after headlining a project and being appreciated by audiences, that you shouldn't demean the power of your dreams. And when you win, when a person like me win, coming from outsider and just getting an opportunity and making the most out of it, it's not just my win. It's a win for every other actor who is not just in Bombay, who maybe is in Panipat, maybe is in Bihar, maybe is in Chhattisgarh and all over India, who is sitting on their bed and contemplating if they will be accepted or not.
Yeah.
So it's not just me alone who is one with Munjaz doing good in box office or whatever, but it's for all the other actors also and all the other creators also who really sometimes you get scared to dream. So that's the position where I have also been. But that's the leap of faith which I took onto myself that no, Abhay Verma has gotten a life and he has been gifted a life, gifted
A chance.
gifted a chance from God of living this life, and I have to make most of it. I don't want to die like not like people should know when Abhay Verma is doing something and when he goes away and he passes off. And it's a far-fetched thought for a
चालू
young
तो
person.
किया है.
हाँ, अभी चालू ही किया है, but still, I mean, you just think. You know what I feel, Sneha? I'll tell you this major thing what I feel is, you don't become an actor when you're on set. In Bombay, you become an artist when you're off set. When you are not doing anything, when you are thinking, when you are in your mind, those are the days which really makes you an artist, and not just the days when you're on set.
Yeah, I don't want to leave from here, but I have to talk to you more. So I'm going. The barish is
Yeah.
chasing us away a little bit, but
The lovely thing about Bombay.
it is.
Let's go.
कैसे भी करके we landed up inside Aram Nagar.
Yeah.
That was always destined.
Good one, yeah, man.
What memories of this place, Aram Nagar?
Whoa, matlab, all my memories have been this. You know, for the first good 3 years, it's been 6.5 years now in Bombay for me. For good 3 years, I didn't know anything which lies between Lokhandwala market to Aram Nagar. It was coming here and then going back.
Straight.
That was 3 years for me. And कोई बोलता था हाँ एक मीटिंग करनी है ऑगस्ट कैफे में या कोई भी मतलब ऐसा कैफे बोलता था किधर है कह रहे तेरे घर के पास ही है भाई मैंने कहा वो मेरे घर के पास ही है फिर ठीक है तो मैं आता हूँ चलो तो मैं लिंक डालता था एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू गो देयर बट या दिस प्लेस इज द मेक्का फॉर मी
But I've somehow noticed in a lot of interviews that I've watched of you where despite all the rejection etc that we know is part of an
Of me?
actor's life
Okay.
in general,
Oh, in
you
general.
have never referred to that period as a struggle, and I felt like there was a lesson there. Like, what does it take to put in the years that you do, see the rejections that actors do, and not ever refer to it as a struggle? Like, how do you learn to find joy in auditioning, and how do you learn to deal with rejection without letting it hamper your spirit?
So I'd like to mention this one statement which my brother's first preachy thing which he said to me, my elder brother, that he said just when I came to Bombay, of course. The first thing which he said that give the audition and forget.
Okay.
तो मैंने इतना एक्सेप्ट कर लिया कि मतलब ऑडिशन देके कॉल बैक आ जाता था तो मैं उनको बोलना पड़ता था कि कौन सा ऑडिशन था भैया जो मैंने दिया है तो इतना भूल गया था मैं उस चीज़ को बट या
That's interesting.
Yeah, that's one thing which I really kept it here, and
But you never felt like it was a struggle. You never
Not
felt
really.
कि मैं
I don't-
घर चले जाऊँ, मैं पानीपत में ठीक था.
honestly, the only part when I thought that was when I used to miss my mom because I am a mama's boy and I can't live without her.
Yeah.
तो उनके बिना बस मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा लगता था कि यार काश एक चीज़ जो मैं बॉम्बे में चाहता हूँ कि वो मेरी मम्मी इधर आ जाएं जो कि हो भी गया थैंकफुली
अच्छा?
शी इज रिसेंटली शिफ्टेड एंड नाउ we just live together and that's a luxury on its own. But rejection wise, I feel 99% of an actor's life is a no, and it's just 1% which is yes. So you have to just find not joy, I would say. You just have to be okay with no's. You know, the only question that I've asked people in Bombay in 6 years is the most I've asked is, am I fit or not? You know. So that's the sweet thing where you know a yes changes everything and a no changes everything. So no is something which you you can't take it to your heart because that's the process which you wanted to be. So if I tell you my story, which I can speak the best on, I come from Panipat and my struggle was there. Like when you think of going to a city where everything happens, so this is where magic happens, I believe.
I believe.
Yeah.
Now you know.
Yeah, I've always believed so. I mean,
Yeah.
but जब वहाँ होते हैं ना, when you're not able to do whatever you want to, तब आपको struggle महसूस होता है कि shit यार, I'm not able to just वो productivity and whatever things you want to do, you're not able to do that. First step ही नहीं ले पा रहे हो. And this is where मतलब 15 minutes away Amitabh Bachchan lives and half an hour away Shah Rukh Khan lives. तो this is where it is. मतलब इस ये शहर नहीं तो फिर और कहाँ.
Yeah.
तो वो स्ट्रगल कभी फील हुआ ही नहीं. स्ट्रगल वहाँ पर था जब मैं वो काम नहीं कर पा रहा था. द एस्पिरेशन विच आई हैड इन माइंड कि वो टाइम क्यों वेस्ट हो रहा है यार. बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू जस्ट जस्ट बी देयर एंड जस्ट डू. वेदर इट्स अ येस, वेदर इट्स अ नो, इट वाज द फन ऑफ जस्ट डूइंग. एंड इट्स ऑलवेज दैट फॉर मी. आई एम नॉट हैप्पी कि अच्छा उसने येस बोल दिया तो हाँ मेरी लाइफ बन गई. नहीं, आई मीन नोज आर इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट यार. एंड इनफैक्ट दे टीच यू मोर that okay, this is not where you belong, you were meant for another bigger thing.
Yeah.
And मेरी life में I tell you there have been 5 major films, of course I won't mention it.
सीख गए.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो सीख गया हूँ आपके इंटरव्यूज देख देख के. तो वो एक मेजर आया कि एक प्रोजेक्ट मिला, अच्छा उसको हाँ बोल दिया, देन हाफ वे इन द ट्रेनिंग वो नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा.
उसकी वजह से दूसरा छोड़ दिया. तो उसकी वजह से द थर्ड प्रोजेक्ट केम, तो उनको बोलना पड़ा कि नहीं आई एम इन्वॉल्वड इन दिस वन. तो वो भी नहीं हुआ और वो भी नहीं हुआ. सो ऑलमोस्ट फाइव फिल्म्स बिफोर मुंजा हैड हैपेंड which was supposed to be happening for me, but it didn't happen, and I was really like bashed, and I was like, whoa, this also happens, yeah. And I was just faced with this harsh reality of अगर आप shoot भी कर लो तो भी नहीं पता है कि वो कब आएगी.
Yeah.
मेरी एक फिल्म थी मन बैरागी which said that it's gonna come in half an hour on Colors TV, and half an hour पहले मुझे update मिला that's it's not happening.
Oh my
It's not
gosh.
releasing.
Yeah.
And I had called all 50 of my whole family, and we sat in one room watching a TV कि हाँ आधे घंटे आने वाला है, and people were watching, and उस टाइम पे ना ads भी आप इतनी seriously देखते हो कि अच्छा अब वो teaser ना आ जाए कि हाँ मेरी फिल्म आने वाली है. So that was that. तो वो 4-5 जो opportunities वो lose हुई ना, तो उससे इतना सीखने को मिल गया that I'm a little zen about the result now.
Speaking of ads,
Yeah.
you really were the face of some really, really incredible ads.
Yeah.
Very popular as the ad boy. Was that also just a way for you to get your face out, make some pocket money? Is it a route that you would recommend to actors who are looking to make it work in this city? Or is there a flip side to that as well?
Flip side as in
As in, does it expose your face too much, for example? मुझे नहीं पता.
यार people have told me कि मतलब expose हो जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा है वो सब, but expose ही तो होने आए हैं. Isn't that the case? मतलब it's just that your choice matters. वो
Yeah.
आप थोड़ा सा, I mean, if you can, again it's a luxury. But if that is the cost that you want to pay, because उसका it's equally proportionate to time. You have to like give away a lot of things, and the time you spent here in Bombay is going to be a little tough. So that's the choice which you have to make. And for ads, though, I believe it almost is it just added to a validity for me. Like my validity of staying in Bombay increased by like earning bread and butter from ads. And not that demeaning ads in itself is a smaller thing.
Yeah.
I mean, you're becoming a face
I
of a
love
brand.
the ad with Alia, I have to say. It's like a little movie in
Yeah,
itself.
the corner.
No?
Yeah. So those are the ads. I mean, thankfully, I've been part of some campaigns which have really, like put my face out there.
Yeah.
Because ad से बहुत ऐसा होता भी है कि अच्छा ad आई और गई तो मतलब ऐसा register नहीं होता. But people know me from ads also.
Correct.
Like you just mentioned.
Correct.
So it's always good. I mean, exposure, I don't think that much. But yeah, expose ही होने आए हैं यार. तो जो opportunity मिल रही है, अच्छी opportunity मिल रही
ले
है,
लेना.
just grab on it and just thrive.
Yeah.
Just do with all your heart, and it will be accepted. That's all. That's what the bottom line is, honestly.
No, that earnestness that I talked about in the film, अब ये यहाँ पे भी दिख रही है.
Oh,
When you have so many people, well-wishers, wanting to give you opinions, telling you what you should, what you shouldn't be doing, how do you block out the noise, and who are you listening to right now? वो होता है ना? that-
yeah. मैं actually वही सोच रहा हूँ because it's a very new feeling for me at this moment.
Yeah.
कि हाँ बहुत लोग actually message कर रहे हैं, बता रहे हैं, and Honestly, I've come to a realization that whatever you do from the heart works. More than anything, मतलब आप कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ कितना भी किसी का अच्छा सजेशन हो, but the खुशी you won't feel किसी और को फॉलो करने में जितना आप दिल को फॉलो करने में फील करोगे. तो whoever has said me whatever things ये वो सब, I've always followed my little instinct which I feel I have.
So you're listening but doing exactly what you feel.
Yeah, 100%. मतलब सुनता हूँ तो अच्छी चीज़ obviously रख लेता हूँ and I see the practical side of it also. So I really am a overthinker and I love it.
You love it.
Yeah, 100%. I love overthinking. I tell you the reason for it, and you'll have to agree. It's the direction which you think on. Now see it that way. आप किसी सही डायरेक्शन में सोच रहे हो और आप उसको लेके ओवरथिंक कर रहे हो, तो won't you be clearer in your head? So
It's what you choose to
yeah,
think
it's what you choose to think. मतलब आप सोची गलत चीज के बारे में रहे हो और तब आप ओवरथिंक कर रहे हो, तो then you won't like overthinking. I love overthinking. मुझे तो बहुत सोचना बहुत पसंद है. That makes my head clearer. That makes my way clearer कि मुझे किस डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए नहीं. And that only can come from if you talk to yourself.
Yeah.
So I really love overthinking.
Yeah. I also like this. You quoted Denzel Washington in an interview.
Okay.
I clearly have watched more interviews of you than you have of you.
Yeah. अरे.
No, but where you said that if you want to achieve something that you haven't, you have to do something
Which you never did.
that you never did.
You never
Yeah.
did. Correct.
What's one of the biggest risks you've taken in life?
Wasting time. For Munja, now that it's come out and thankfully
Touch wood.
people
yeah.
have been kind. इस फिल्म के लिए 1 साल वेट किया है मैंने.
अच्छा.
Yeah, 1 year of doing nothing. That's the biggest gamble that any actor can play.
Yeah.
Because time is your ally, and you can't just not just sit there and wait for this one thing. That's really the biggest gamble I've played, is 1.5 years of waiting, sitting at home, and sometimes being also becomes difficult. You know that I don't want to be here. I don't want to go. Matlab, I just want to go out. I want to do something. Be it just a little this thing here and there and whatever. But you really have to calm yourself, and sometimes just control your emotions and just keep yourself intact with the idea of you just believing and believing the conviction which you had put in when you had done a project. So Munja was one of it. I did it. I lived it fully. One thing I really feel happy about myself is that I don't want to live my character a day more after a set. I've lived it so much
You're done.
that I don't want to live it a day more.
Good luck with sequels.
Yeah. No, that will be another chapter that comes in
It's
way.
true.
Yeah. But yeah.
But yeah,
वो है.
that is
Yeah,
that is a big risk.
So that's a big gamble. Time, I think, is the biggest risk which I've taken on me, of waiting. That can go the other way. मतलब अगर मुंजा ऑनेस्ट रिसीव नहीं होती तो आपको लगता है हम दोनों कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहे होते, नहीं कर रहे होते. इट कुड हैव बीन द अदर वे, दैट्स बीइंग प्रैक्टिकल ऑफ मी, बीइंग अ ओवरथिंकर. So I think of the other side also. But that's the biggest risk. I think I've taken that, and thankfully it's turned out to be the nicest, fruitful experience, that step I take.
How are you enjoying the attention from the female fans?
Yeah, that's what I've always chased for.
Acting छोड़ो.
इधर ये अपना focus.
But it must be fun.
It is fun, and not just females also, but also the other
Achha,
way.
हाँ, yeah.
मतलब love is welcomed from all direction, but females it's a little more special, because that's the heart which you really want to tap into. These are the most beautiful hearts that you can win over.
So you're reading
So-
comments, you're
I am reading and liking and replying and doing everything. That's the things which I've been waiting for.
so
Yeah, getting the terms, whatever.
National crush?
Yeah, the national crush. I was about to say that this has started now. National crush is this thing, whatever. And this is our own, they're referring to some Hollywood actor. And
you don't know who ki?
Timothy Chalamet is the
yes.
one people are referring to. I mean, it's fantastic. But whatever versions people are taking of me, I'm happy. They're more than welcome. I've been waiting for them to make versions of me. And now that it's happening, I am fully enjoying
You're
it.
taking it all in.
Absolutely, absolutely. This is the thing. I mean, I've waited for 12 years. for people to just know
Yeah.
that
Yeah. And like
personally.
you said, you know, for 12 years, this has been your goalpost to have a film in theaters, to have it do well. And that's happened.
The
So
most
ab-
ultimate thing, yeah.
But ab kya? What is the new goalpost? What is next?
I think अभी तो start भी नहीं हुआ है. You know, अभी तो I mean it's nothing that I've done so far. Just some ads
So
and
25 crore box office is a big deal.
in 4 days.
Please take a
Let's
minute.
just say that.
Yes. Let's put that in there.
Just 4 days, man. Yeah. So
No, I
that's,
hope you're taking a minute to enjoy it all as well.
yeah. मतलब मैं सो नहीं पा रहा हूँ, so that says something. मतलब मैं 3 बजे सो रहा हूँ और 7 बजे उठ जाता हूँ अपने आप ही. And दिमाग में भी I'm just the visuals of shooting and everything is going on. So I'm just living it fully कि हाँ ऐसा हो भी रहा है भाई. So just live it fully. But yeah, I am taking a moment. This is the moment, and I'm glad I'm sharing it with you.
Yeah.
That this is the moment that we are actually looking back in retrospect, thinking that okay, a boy came from Panipat, and he did a massive film with Maddock, and that has worked also, and people are drooling over it. If that's how I put it, and I then say that that person is me, I am like, whoa.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me pinch you
Please
because
do.
it's not a dream.
Please do, please do.
Thank you for talking to me.
Wow.
I'm so glad I could share this with you.
I am so glad I wanted to talk to you since again
Thank
12
you.
years.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha.
Thank you.
Midway.